Page 86, Prelude number 5. This is in 3/8 time, 2 sharps. We're in the key of D major. We seem to be going around the circle of fifths, which is nice because that's the order that I approach the scales, arpeggios. So hopefully you're doing my scale. So as you do each one of these, do the scale in that key. 4 octaves, up and down. Do the advanced part, you know, together in parallel and come down. So we're 16th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. You're starting with here. What's this finger? Because really we're here. 1 and 2 and 3. And down here, and then here. Watch this one, because they want you to go up here. That's a stretch. In my opinion, it's better if you use 5th finger on that, because they want, because of that stretch there. This is I would use 5th finger on that. So again, starting left hand there. How you finger this in the left hand is up to you. You can do 2-1 and 5-2 or 3, or however. I don't care. Just finger it. Use the fingers. That's all. Then once you have that, just make sure these 16th notes are even. And see the slurs over each measure? And there's a staccato at the end, so you do. So forth, something like that. Then it moderately loud, the first 2 measures. So it's here. Then you're echoing that, it's going to be soft. And then you're starting this soft and you go all the way up to loud. So it's like soft, moderately soft, moderately loud, loud. Don't get loud until that top F sharp. So plan that out. Here. Something like that. Moderato is whatever moderato is to you. It has to feel like a moderate speed. Not necessarily the beat, just the feel, the overall feel. What is it? We want to hear the natural accents here. We, meaning you and me both. I'm talking for you too. You want to hear 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, they're beamed here. This is the, what, 5th measure, 5th and 6th with this going up? They're beamed in 3s. In my opinion, they should have beamed them in 2. We want to feel every 2 beats, not every 3. If I put in natural accents according to the beams, it's going to be this. It's a hemiola effect sort of type thing. Maybe that's what he wanted. But my feeling here is it's more like just a 1, 2, 3. Keep that going. Can't do it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That, to me, that's what the feel is. According to what's written, you get that other feel. 1, 2, 1, 2 thing. I can't tell you one is right and one is wrong, but in my opinion, it should be felt in 3 in every measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 throughout the whole thing. Then you add pedal. I don't know why you add pedal. You don't need it, but they've added pedal on this run going up and on the last measure. So push the pedal down. They're showing the pedal doesn't start until the A. I think that's only because of the room and printing in the page. They didn't have room. It should start on the D, not the A. It should start at the beginning. Lift it up as you play that F sharp, because that's staccato. Lift the pedal up so we get staccato. So it would be something like that. And then at the end you push it down and lift the pedal in the hands after the F3 beats and so forth. That's my impression of this prelude.